Sometimes, you need to feel upset in order to wake up and put yourself first. Real heroes are humble. Love is a decision, not just an emotion. It's a sign that you're on the correct track if some people don't like you. You can't choose who you fall in love with, but you can choose how you respond to those feelings when the person is unhealthy for you. Your companion is a reflection of your future plans. Make sure you find the right one from the beginning. Embrace change in every aspect of your life. Sometimes, people are investments, and some people are bills. Know the difference. Never assume that your relationship should exist solely for your benefit. Let him or her live according to his or her own will. It is best to stay out of a relationship if you are reluctant to appreciate your spouse. Be careful not to overestimate your own intelligence. It takes falling in love multiple times with the same person each time to have a happy marriage. Your life will be uninteresting if you are not failing. Never fall in love with someone who treats you like you are ordinary. Rather, choose someone who values your amazing self. Try not to be all things to all people. Be everything to someone. We build our own barriers out of fear. You won't ever feel old if you put in the effort to study and develop. For incidents that are not your fault, you are not required to apologize. If you want a woman to be intimately in love with you, put your both hands on her waist while talking to her frequently. Marriage is not scary. Marrying the wrong person does.